I should probably turn myself to a poster boy. If I saw it, make myself turn 2 to 4. I know you want it.
Hello everybody, today we're going to be going to Westover Road for bowling, but while we're walking, we're going to do some bus spotting. So, let's go. Now we're going to be walking into Bomskla, walking near Westover. So we have 1675 right next to it. So we have 1408, and there is, right now we're to our bowling place. So now we're gonna show you the inside. So see you there. So right here is 1722. We're at our bowling place. It's called Bowl Central. Now let's go inside. Whoa. Pretty cool. There's prizes as well. This is sick. It's just like the Philippines, bro. This is so cool. What? Nice.
want that one? Ask right here. Go, Kuya! Ah! No! Okay.
Sit still.
Strike! Yay! Got more. Ashley, maipit ka kamay mo, Ash.
So I'm. Go us. Go go. Come on. Go. Come on. Spare, spare, spare. Your turn.
Who's turn?
You. Player Gabriel. Now it's my turn.
Let's go yan.
Because Ashran.
No! Okay. Kaya mo? Yay! Mommy now?
Yeah.
Mommy now?
One. One. Ah, one more. My turn. My turn.
Hello guys. Hope you like this video. So you might wonder who won. So I got a score of 48, AZ got 51. And the winner with 59 points was our mum. Also after that, we played the arcade after and got around 350 tickets and for our prize we only got sweets because every other prize was so expensive like you need 500 just for a plan. So, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.